Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to another video. It's been such a long time since we filmed a video here at my house, my YouTube. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much. We just broke 1,300 and I believe 24 subscribers now on YouTube, and I'm nothing more than excited to actually keep going, keep filming. I took a little break due to the whole COVID thing and the work, and I'm always throwing out excuses and stuff, but we're gonna go back and grind it out, you guys. I can't wait to show you guys some new modifications that I've got for this thing. And as you guys can tell, I don't have the bumper on the car, and there's a reason for that. So on today's agenda, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the reason for that, as well as taking the car to a car wash. I'm not gonna actually wash it like with the things they supply, because it scratches the paint or the brush, I'm sorry, but I am gonna water it down and clean it myself, because it is very, very dirty. And I want to put the bumper back on, but I did end up getting it painted, so it's colored matched to my original OEM paint, which is mosaic black, and it's pretty cool. It looks really good in gloss black. Sometimes it actually makes me miss the gloss black a lot more. With that being said, you guys, we're not gonna wrap it soon until the paint is completely, and I mean completely dry, or safe to work on. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wash the rest of the car, install the bumper today, and I'm gonna show you detail by detail on how to install it, since you guys didn't really get that in my last video. Now the bumper's off, now I can show you guys how to actually do it, and I'll take my time and actually get this started for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get a cold start. Okay, you guys, cold start. Why my neighbors have been kind of upset at me lately, you guys. The car is insanely loud for just a monthly, but oh well, you guys, we're gonna make it louder in the near future, but I can't do it if you guys don't subscribe or don't. So go ahead and throw a thumbs up and go subscribe, because we need to hit 2,000, and by the end of the year I want to be at least close to hitting 10,000, or actually hitting it. So please, you guys, go ahead and subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me, and your support will always help out for the channel and for the future of me. So please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, whatever you guys want to do. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see on the car. So go ahead and do that right now. Hey guys, we got the Camaro here at the car wash show, and it looks pretty funny without the bumper, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty freaking darn funny. But oh well, I'm gonna give you guys a little montage right now and let you guys see how it looks.
How did we get here?
Alright, you guys, so we made it back home, and we got that zl1 Morelli bumper right here, right next to the Camaro. And as you guys can see, it's a little dirty right now. I need to clean it. But before we do that, I just wanted to show you guys, like the basics of how to install it, right? So like I've mentioned before, you have 4 bolts, which are 1, 2, 3, and then one that goes right there. It goes like that. And that's pretty much all you're gonna have to do on both sides, as well as some bolts that go alongside here. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as soon as I start putting the bumper on. There's 1, 2, 3, and there should be one more bolt right here, which is 4 right there. And there's one last bolt that goes under here, and that's the one that fastens basically the bumper to the fender. And you should see those, one right here, another one right here, and those 2 final ones right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those are going to be the ones that you need to fasten the bumper onto the fenders and on properly, as well as all these right here. 1, 2, 3. There's a bunch of them along the hood or the hood liner of the Camaro, and those would translate to the same ones, these tabs right here and these same holes right here on the bumper, so that when you guys close the bumper, it doesn't hit the hood, and that once you guys go get those fastened up and they look perfectly flush, you know that you've installed your bumper correctly. Because I've done it like twice already, and I've done it incorrectly, where this goes under the bumper, and the lip has to sit underneath this, so you can fasten all these bolts too from underneath. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and let's see how it turns out. As you guys align the bumper, you guys should see that there should be a tab here. Once a tab, well actually 2. So once you push these 2 tabs into place, you should pop them into place and then start bolting every bolt after that, which should be pretty forward and pretty self-explanatory. As well as the ones that I've told you guys up here, they all have to match with each other, and you should be able to be, you know, safe sailing. So go ahead and do that, you guys. I'm gonna do it myself, and let's see how it turns out.
What happened?
I lost the tool. Hey. That's it.
Swears he knows how to fix cars. Swears he's Spider-Man too.
Please, Lord, give me a second chance. Google, do me a big old favor, okay? And then Google. Okay, that's the whole bumper right here.
What?
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to that same video that you guys were watching the other day. It's just a completely different day, as you guys can see. Yeah, I forgot to film the rest of the progress with the bumper, and to be honest, you know, it just got kind of late, so we're filming on a completely different day. But with that being said, you guys, I brought the car to like a nice little view, and I might shoot some pics with my phone because I didn't bring my camera, but we're gonna shoot some montages and some clips. They're gonna look sick. Just trust me, you guys. The car looks so good. So in 3, 2, 1.
How did we get here?
Okay, guys. So this is how the Camaro currently looks. Again, you guys have to remember that it is not currently wrapped. So this would be the paint that the car actually comes with, and this would be the satin black wrap. But other than that, you guys, the thing looks amazing. It looks so sinister, and I can't wait to actually wrap it and have everything complete again. All honesty, you guys, I love how the rear of the car is looking, especially with that diffuser that my dad actually made for the car. So just check that out, you guys. Just check that out. It looks so good. I don't think camera could ever do justice to like any other car or like any car in general. But y'all, this looks sinister, y'all. And I still have to put the little side markers here, and I still have to do and fiddle with a lot of things, but that's gonna come in the future, you guys. I took off the excessive sticker as well as the Camaro sticker, if you guys have it. like it's a slick when it's not supposed to be one. Check that out. God.